Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for coming back to watch my videos. To my new subscribers, you are very much welcome. To my old subscribers, welcome back. You guys know how we do this on this channel. So I'm just applying my primers. After applying my primers, I'll apply my base coat. After applying my base coat, I'll cure for 30 seconds. Guys, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are staying safe. As for me, I'm doing really good. I thank you guys for coming back to watch my videos. I thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. So those are the products I'm going to be using today. I already showed you guys my rubbing alcohol. This is my my old time fave, my nude polygel. I love this nude polygel, guys. This is the real nude polygel that I use. I really like it. So this is just a very simple nails that I did on my sister for Valentine. It's a Valentine video anyway, so I hope you guys enjoy and love this video. Okay, so I'm just going to apply the polygel, and then after applying the polygel, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. So guys, as for the nail prepping, if you guys want to know how I prep my nails, you can go to my other videos. Go watch my other videos. You will see how I do my nails. I usually do it on some of my videos, not on my video. Depends on the time that I have to do the nails. So with this video, I didn't do the prepping on camera. I just quickly did it off camera. So if you want to know, to my new subscribers, you want to know how I do my nail prepping, just watch my old videos and then you can get how I do my nail prepping. I'm still thanking you guys. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you. If there's anything you don't understand, if there's anything that is not clear to you, just put it down in the comment section. I will make it clear to you. Okay, I'll apply the second layer to the nails, and then I'll also cure it for 60 seconds. So that's my sleep solution. I'm just going to use it to clean the surface of the nails. After cleaning the surface of the nails, I will file the nails. Okay, I do this because when I clean the surface of the nails, it doesn't damage my file. So always do this. Don't forget to do this. So after using my hand file to file it, I'm just going to go in with my drill bits just to file the cuticle areas. Okay, please guys, whenever you're doing this, just be very careful so you don't cut through the person's nails. Okay, so I'm just going to do this on all the nails, and then I'll use my other drill bits to file the surface of the nails. So now guys, I went in with my sanding band just to finish the filing. If you guys want to get all the stuff that I use on my videos, you can go. I'm gonna put the link on I'm gonna put the link on the description box. So just go there, click on the link, and then it's gonna take you directly to the place that I get the items from. Most of the stuff are from Amazon. You can also search up the names on Amazon, then you can order it from there. I order all my stuff on Amazon. So now let's keep to the good part. I have my red. Those are my gel liners that I'm going to use to design the nails. I have red, I have pink, I have a lot of colors over there. You guys are going to see me when using it. That's my plate. This is my pen. So now, first of all, I'm applying my top coat. When you do this, it really helps you. When you make any mistake, you just wipe it off, and it's easy for you to apply the gel polish on the nails. Okay, so after applying the gel polish, I'll just cure it for 30 seconds, not 60. I only cure it for 30 seconds, and then I can now start drawing my colors. So now it's time to line the colors on the nails. So that's, I went in with a green color first because that was what she wanted. So I went in with the green. I'm just gonna line it. After lining it, I'll just cure it for 30 seconds. Okay, so just watch me as I do this. If you know you are watching my videos but you have not subscribed, come on, what are you waiting for? Just go down and click on the subscribe button. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on post notification bell so that when I post any video, you will get notified. Okay, please guys, share my videos, like, comment, yeah, like it. If there's anything wrong with the video, just put in the comment section. Don't worry, I will work on my videos. Okay, thank you guys again. I'm still thanking you guys for subscribing. To those that subscribed, thank you so much. Don't worry, I said it in my last video that I'm going to give candies to my subscribers, so don't worry, my new subscribers, your candy is on the way. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please continue to share my videos, okay? Continue to like, continue to comment, so that I'll know what I'm doing wrong or what I'm doing right. Thank you so much. So just keep on watching how I do this gel liners. After all of this, I'm going to cure them for 60 seconds. So I have my goat color there. I'm just gonna apply it on all the nails, okay? And then after applying it, I'll cure it for another 60 seconds. Guys, these nails came out so beautiful. Trust me, videos does not do the thing. When you see this in person, you will love it. Just try it on yourself and then come back to the comment section and give me the gist, okay? Give me tell me the look of your nails after doing it. So now I'm going to apply the second top coat on the nails. After applying the top coat, I'll secure it for 60 seconds. So now I'm applying my cuticle oil on all the nails. After applying my cuticle oil, I will then show you guys how the nails came out. This nails is so beautiful. Okay, you guys should try it on yourself and then come back to tell me how it looks. This is the finished look of these beautiful nails. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.